Hey! What was that? What did you say? What's up? Okay, I guess that's acceptable.
Oh, you did?
Okay, he said what's up very loudly. All right. So our first, I was just gonna say a little thing at the beginning. So I think my humble opinion, I told you this before, that multiplying these guys is gonna be pretty easy. Remembering to divide by 2 in the triangle is not gonna be that bad, but sometimes surface area can be a problem for students. So how many sides do we have? Six sides. So you have to just do each side carefully and make sure you add up 6 of them, right? And what about for volume? That's the area of the base times the height. So you're basically just multiplying all these 3 numbers. And then this one we have to remember to do what?
Multiply times 2.
No. Divide by 3 because remember it's less than the cube would have been. All right, let's do that. Okay, on your mark. Oh, just kidding. Let's welcome Darren all the way from I don't know, Ohio. Woo!
Ohio Sigma.
Let's get some clapping. Okay, Darren, how do we do number 1, sir?
We multiply 7 and 3.2.
Multiply 7 and 3.2. He's right. Okay, what do we get?
22.4.
Awesome. Now it's area, so we're gonna do squared. Okay. What about 2?
67 times 67. Oh, 6.7.
6.7 times 6.7. Very good. And what does that give us?
44.89.
That's correct. 89 inches.
Squared.
Squared. Good job. Okay. Woo! Okay, let's hear it for Jacob. Jacob's next. Jacob. All right, Mr. Jacob, how do we do number 3? And then the next person's going to be waiting behind him, right? Oh, you got talking to the computer, please. Walk over to the computer. Because that's going to be the microphone. Thank you, sir. Okay, and I'll write it for you. Okay, how do we do number 3?
By the way, is that supposed to be a square or just a line?
Where?
Next to 8.2, because I did just like cut off lines.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
I don't even know why those are there, honestly. Yeah, there should be a square here.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it glitched. This line was supposed to be over there. Good question. I was wondering what those were. Yeah, this line is supposed to be here. Computer glitch. Okay, go ahead.
So you multiply 11.1 times 8.2.
Is he right? Is he right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so that's our first part. What does that give us?
That's a 1. That's a 2, not a 1.
What did I do? 11.1, you're right. My bad. 11.1 times 8.2. What do we get?
I just basically used the calculator. I never...
91.02. Okay, he did it all together. Okay, so what do we need to do now?
Divide by 2.
Good job. Why are we dividing by 2?
It's a triangle.
Because it's the triangle. Okay, and that's 45.51 meters squared. Every time it's area, it's squared.
Mr. Pat, do we have to flip this in?
Okay, banana.
Mr. Pat, do we have to flip this in?
Yes, of course. I usually check them.
Wait. Don't go up there. Don't go up there.
Okay. So banana. Banana's coming all the way from, I don't know, from the store. Let's hear it from banana. You're gonna go bananas. Yeah, from the jungle. That's better. Okay, so surface area means all the area of all the surfaces. So we got how many sides?
6.
6 sides. Okay, go ahead. Tell me how you did it.
So I did 5 times 5.
Okay, that's for the left side, right? So I'm gonna go left and right side are 5 times 5. Okay, next.
And then 7 times 5.
Which side is that?
The top.
The top. Okay, so let's do top and bottom. 7 times 5. Next.
And then 5 times 5 for front and back.
No.
Oh, I mean
That's
7
it.
times 5.
Yeah, that's 7. So front and back. Now some people might think this is the front. Students
Hi,
might think that
YouTube.
the left is front. Alright, I'm just gonna. Thing was, some students might have a different front and back, right? This could be the front for some students. I think most students, what do you think? The front was here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter as long as you get all 6. Okay, let's go back to purple. Okay, so I've got 7 times 5, 35. Alright, now what did you do? What did you do, banana?
Oh, then I multiplied it by 2.
Okay. Now for me, it's less confusing if I just write them out instead of times 2. So let's see. So, but that's fine too, as long as you get it. 25 and 25, right? 35 and 35, and 35 and 35. So that's all 6 sides. Did I get 6?
Yeah.
Did I get 6?
Yes, Mr.
Yes, I did.
Bass.
So now all you have to do
Add 'em up.
is add them up. And that is your answer.
190.
190.
Inches squared.
That's correct. 190
Inches squared.
inches squared. That's good. All right.
Wait, how did you get 190? You added them all.
Yeah, you add them all up, man.
And then you add by 2? No. Crazy multiplier. I don't get it.
Okay, bananas. So how do we do this one?
We do 5 times 7 because it's volume.
Do number 5.
7 times 5. Wait, yeah.
7 times 5 is the bottom, right? And you
Yeah.
always want to find the area of the base first, right?
Yeah.
Times the height.
2.
Yeah, so we get
70.
70 inches, and this is cubed. Remember how many little cubes are in there?
70.
Okay.
Did I get it right?
Now, the area of the base, thank you, banana, that was excellent, is 120. And then we have to multiply it times the height, which is, I think, 1320. Isn't that right? Am I right? And then we divide by 3. 440, I believe, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So 440. And that's kilometer cubed. Alright, we almost done? We're so almost, well, we gotta do circles still. Okay, so diameter is not area, right? So we're not doing our radius times 5. We just have to go times 2, and we get 16 meters. Now it's not squared because it's only the length of the diameter.
Oh, that's the diameter.
Yeah, diameter. So you have to look at what it's asking. Okay, 12 times 3.14. Why did I say 12? Thank you, because they didn't give us the radius, right? But we need the radius. So that's the trickiest part there. The answer is what? 45 point. Thank you. 452.16. And then this one is 4 times 4 times pi. Okay. Last one.
We could go
All
on.
you do is multiply these two together, right? 4 times 4. And then 4 times 6, right, equals 24. And don't forget, we got to do half for the triangles, right? So we get 12 for this triangle and 12 for this triangle. So now all we have to do is...
Add them up.
You're right, add them up. Okay.
30.
And we get
30.
40. No, it's 40, right?
40.
Okay, 40 centimeters squared.
Can you go a bit up, Mr. Bass?
Yeah, sure.